How to easily change your email address on Lululemon. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and head over to lululemon.com. Then make sure to log into your account. Now head over to My Account and then you want to click on the Profile option. Once you click on this option, this page will open up. From here, you want to scroll down and under the Account section, you're going to find Email. Click on the Edit option. Over here on this box, you can find your current email address. To change your email address, here on this box, you will have to enter your new email address. Then enter it one more time for confirmation and click on the Change Email option. Once you click on this option, you are going to be signed out of your account. So go ahead and now enter your new email address and then password and click on the Sign In option. And once you have been signed in, you're going to see that your email address on Lululemon has been changed. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.